Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on your laptop. First, let's ensure your system is ready. You'll want to check your laptop specifications against the game's minimum requirements, which typically include a 2.5 GHz processor, 4 GB of RAM, and a DirectX 9.0C compatible video card. Also, make sure your operating system is fully updated. A stable internet connection, ideally with at least 5 megabits per second download and 1 megabit per second upload, is essential for smooth online play. Once your laptop is ready, optimizing in-game settings is key for a smooth experience. Head into the video options and prioritize performance over visual fidelity. Reducing your resolution, perhaps to 1280 by 720 pixels, and lowering texture detail, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing can significantly increase your frame rate. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications, like web browsers or streaming services, to free up valuable system resources, ensuring Rocket League gets the maximum power available. Now, let's talk about control. While you can certainly play with a keyboard and mouse, most Rocket League players find a game controller offers superior precision for car control and complex aerial maneuvers. A wired controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation compatible one, often provides more reliable and consistent input compared to a wireless option, minimizing any potential input lag. Experiment with both to see what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle. Finally, consistent practice is vital for improvement. Dive into the in-game training modes to master fundamental mechanics like aerials, dribbling, and shot accuracy. Spend at least 15 minutes daily in free play or custom training packs. Don't forget to experiment with different camera settings. Many pros use a field of view around 110 and a camera distance of about 270. Watching professional gameplay can also provide invaluable insights into advanced strategies and team rotations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.